media as the basis. Please, Albert, if you are serious and you want to find out the truth on this matter, set your committee. Tell them to come and investigate the bypass. Set your committee. Tell them to come and investigate this particular land. Set your committee to investigate all this. Go to the bypass. Now, enter into the community and ask about our individual characters. Not be to talk on Facebook. I want the government to say we want to do land grabbing to end it. And indirectly you are grabbing. I want to make sure that no, those are sugar-coated acts and not a mere statement. I am glad. Your goal is to weaken me. Now let me tell you this onslaught. If not because of the fact that Albert saw me with Governor Obaseki yesterday. Now you this one, he joined. He joined. You can't control me. If you choose not to be part, I am part. I only express my grievances and I continue. You want people to come and beg you? In the past, you were controlling everywhere. And those in the diaspora will carry food, they will call you. You say, oh, don't. You wrote it on one of your Facebook posts, video. Nobody should stop. People, they should stop calling me. I came out to say, Mona, they call me, oh. He got to crime. He got on to crime. In my platform, I give people free way to express their opinion. By the power of God Almighty. But even if you go carry one manipulated story, come to go tarnish me, those will be my own, not my own. Even if I carry bad story, they tarnish you to destroy your image, those will be your own, not your own. I told you before. I said it on the live video. I said, I will not blame Governor Obaseki if he refused to empower us. I will not. I will not. Because on a daily basis, we keep fighting ourselves here. Why are you angry? Why are you angry? You told the Edo people that all you are doing, because you sabi brag, you know the show say, now you need so much infrastructure pass. You pretend that I'm doing all this to make sure that I become great. I have no business, I don't work for money. If you were not fighting for money, why have you stopped propagating issues related to the government? Why did you come out to cry? But I, for one, I told the entire world that I was fighting for stomach infrastructure in the past. I will not be a judge in my own case. But when it comes to sincerity, my brother, you are not even sincere. Can you openly tell the world what you stand for? No. Can you tell? No. Nobody will not be thief where you did, unless you be sent. Every other people are thief. And you were the first 419 in Edo State. Part of them. You were one. The first in Edo. Yahoo, where you be? Azama. But you are busy running a task. You say, I have not done anything with you. They paint your image cool. Then you want to bring us up on a hold, you destroy them. Then they'll come and look for you. My brother, believe me, the reason why I go pass you too much on this life, be say, I don't envy people. Now, any other thing where everybody do, where you not be part of, that thing will get it. The same way you called us, when you call our land grabbing fight, an illegal one, because the origination did not come from you. Now, so you criticize social media summit with the host. But remember, when you host your first award night and social crack team award night and social media, we not a play where I was the first to pick my phone to say, Abad, if you like God, they look, I say, Abad, what you organized today, believe me, I have never seen such. You did well. See, let me tell you. If you don't want your friend to be a king, you can never be a friend to a king. All what you said about people, and they carry people this thing, they're going to do charity, they collect the money, they do this one. Because of the fact that you have criticized them, now when you go bring person come out, shame not let you put your account. But you are doing charity indirectly. You came out this evening to talk and say, somebody made me again to say my prayer. I say, I don't want to be bringing people so that you don't look and say, stop living in pretense. Live your life really. You are a copycat. What do you like what somebody do? Do they criticize her? You like her, but you criticize her. You want to push the person to come you take over. Check. The land being sold in Lagos. You criticize Ambassador Dion Osagi when he was selling land in the Jebuleki for the land where the young man buy. But today, where are you selling land? I don't know be Lagos, but you are in Lagos selling land. I don't know be Lagos, but today you are in Lagos, rushing to sell land, and you say I don't know be Lagos. And meanwhile, when the likes of Ambassador Dion Osagi, they say your own personal land, not be saying you dey do attaché with one man say, okay, I sell a real estate company here, can I be selling for you people? Go to Port Harcourt and check any due property. But I not say I get money reach you. But I not say I reach you for anything. May you carry the big name, they go. Leave me myself and they go with my own Richard. As a man, leave me. Leave me. Go to this man and check any due property. Can you swear with your life? Say you not get HK, even till tomorrow. Can you swear say you not get HK till tomorrow? Hide the laptop. Hide the laptop. We don't know what to play. My dear brothers and sisters, take this matter anywhere. I know nothing about the other land. As a verse, what I know, I have explained. I did that. Till today, swear. Say till date, you are a 419. Till not yesterday, till date. Your company are going to pretend to say, have I ever done anything with you? Have I ever done anything? Not let me talk more. It's too many, you know me. All the growing people, as this one they grow, you exercise whether you attack them, call her Edokpaye, call Isimudia, Dion Osagi. Inside all these progressive people, which one you say I don't ever attack? That is why you say the whole of these people, they give me promotion. Bros, not your jealousy. You new start, you go cry, you go faint. You new start, you go cry, you go faint. Wait till you go, okay, now, Abba, let's really come out to discuss. More forget some of us when they carry the same move, but they hide ourselves. More could really talk. Abba, now book you know reach me. Now Hamson reach me. What do you tell reach me? Tell me. Do they make noise? Even the money when they talk, Abba, not go they assume. The person, Bini say, oh, I am a calm down. The same officer, when I tell you, say they watch me here just now, arrested you in the past as a 419. About relax. Nobody can pretend for social media. They make people say, I'm very sincere. I'm sincere. I'm sincere. You cannot be a judge in your case. People, they watch you. Then they see you. If you like to claim to be good, at the end of the day, people will tell you, say, this is your character. No come back, they pretend. Inside the saga where you phone saga. You not want to reach me. I am just only being mature. And anything when I'm going to tell you in the course of our activity, now the truth. Come and talk. Come and publicly say you not be king of Yahweh, you not be Azama. Come out and say it. Come out and say it. You didn't pretend here and there. Any small thing. So I can get in the community. You did not tell people that I did the vice chairman. I was the one who said it to the world. Now, me talk as I vice. Was it a crime? And it was a legitimate government as at then. So please, Abad, continue to keep your laptop and leave me alone. Come and accuse me. Have you ever seen me doing Yahoo once? This is not to say that I criticize Yahoo people. No, they did their life. But don't pretend. Don't come and be acting as if you are a good man. Whether are you bad pass. Why you not fight for money? I'm fighting to make sure that the government, I don't have any business with any money. Oh, my own is to deliver it to people. Now you are angry. Why are you angry? You have delivered. What the people want to hear from me? Government should go and address this policy. This policy must come here. Now when they say, I can come out to tell you, I work here, they are working because I don't get time I take pretend, say, I not see fight for my own self too. But you came out to tell the entire world. Say, you did fight, you fight for yourself. You not fight for yourself, you fight for them. And now you're angry. Why are you not angry? Why are you not angry? Tell us why you are angry. See, pretense cannot last. You just will also every means. Don't want to fight opposition when you want to enter, want to use me. You want to take over the environment. You want to leave me for waste. You want to leave me for waste. Every of you have a right to do whatever you want. Leave me. Me envy no go kill you. Jealousy. You know the feast stay 24 hours now envy. You'll see this one. You know how many anybody don't near government. As the nearer you will declare. Now make they chase you so. You declare here and there. You know they do something with her, you know fight for money. And then you be the first way to accuse people say, they are looking for money. And money you the fighting. Now money make you the verse. Now money you the fight. Till now money they make you verse. But you come out, you sabi paint on that because I just require they look you. You sabi paint on that people. I will follow you for all this video. And if you make me best, I will open your nose. The truth of the matter is simple. Stand and speak the truth at all times. You are a Yahoo boy. Nala. When I agreed that he called you from abroad and said, leave Osakunokodi, I was the chairman. The same person today say, no leave out Nami Adam. How come? What a controversial statement. Bring down your jealousy spirit. Nonsense. You're not if you sleep again. You are getting sleepless nights because of the growth of others. How can you stop people from growing? You can't. You can't stop people from growing. They must grow. Make a quick block. Let me see they do the block here. I see they do one for some. May I block that Julius Offers? I need to block her now. So that you need to go create another account or you go to post on him. Go. Let me check him. Now that you want to economy to collect money. Now lie. You want to pretend? Now lie. Wait, you go see many revelation. You dare to make noise. We don't know you. People you will feel deceived. Now you. People you will feel deceived. Now you go deceive, not be we. We know the story already. So you rest. Man, find this guy. He don't to sit and stay talk for my platform. Please just give me some minutes. Let me kick him out. Family business. You come out the wrong mouth or social media. I tell them, we have an application. The CFO there. The CFO. The CFO. CFO matter not let you rest. When I don't, do you have any 244 application file number? You know when I started doing so. If you get I'll give you any amount of money you want. Let me block you here. Oh yeah, Julius Oba say bye-bye. Julius Oba say bye-bye. That is, I want to pay when I'm doing myself. And I said the land. You want to clean your own. Clean all your image. Other people are bad one. Now you good. You don't come out. That's why Connect says you return the Sienna. That's why Connect says you return the Sienna. But you carry 200 for his ass. You not return it. Why jealousy they do you like this about? If they fight my network, why jealousy they do you? You carry 200. You keep. Yeah, they say the duplex for sale. Duplex for sale. That's why Connect are going to say duplex. So he want to kill you. The thing want jealousy, they burn your body. You dey cry every day. My dear brother and sister, I'm ready for this guy. He don't do too much. He too they do. He believes say the film. He know me now. He know me for inside of this media matter. He know. He know. About know. So you just they come, you just they bully everybody. About be careful. So I tell people, this is what I know in respect to the issue. Now, Abatobaze wanted to block one area. He don't search. You know, see where we fit to get me. Yeah, they said do CDA in the park. Yes, when they landed it so. Speaker talk. Secretary talk. That tomorrow again, I will bring live video. If they make any noise, I'll see call the rest. Me, they can't talk. All of them talk. Then they use and find my own. And he's the one supporting the Okagele. So, on what ground? Now me they put Okagele. And that's put Okagele. My brother, if we calculate the total number of terms we will rule, my own is approximately 4 years. When I say it's about 5 years. Now let we get the community. Now let we get the community. So, people like we, they don't come meet us and say, you must go before we go. We go by ourselves. I know they again. Now, in respect to Sir Jolly Land, I said it before in the morning, before Ambassador Damasis came to apologize to me online. And even Collins Imudi and many others, not to say, other brothers and sisters around the world, get involved. Now it will make me even want to get involved. If I not go involve. When I called Sir Johnny this morning, I told him point blank, sir. When I did, why you not come tell me? When better, he said it don't pass, and now don't pass now. About come out now, they talk on that story. Azama. Don't pretend, yo. May God bless you all. I beg Mona forgive me if una say I've ready jump follow this boy tap poto. Ever since when they do all this thing, na me they always they come. Na me they always they come. Na me they always they come. It make me look like weakly. About in there, who be about in the crease. Who be about now? About no no. Yahoo boy for street. Where you for work as a man. You see the criticize and say, this one is a 419. They are kind of starting because you not see chance to do the kind of job. Let me tell you, Abat is the number one person that needs to do foundation. He needs a guy. But shame no let her do him because he don't criticize her. So now since he not fit do again, we must put an end to it. Maybe fight. Maybe fight. John Bright say about tell and say Azada. Talk. See the comment there is there. Then people will know you did it. You want to come here and pretend. I said that this is uncertain. I said this is uncertain. I said this is uncertain. Okay, go and sleep. We know you too well. So for those who have been calling on me, so the truth of the matter is very simple. I am glad today. See, let me tell you. No matter how somebody try to spoil your name, those who like you. Those who hate you. Ogbeti. Ebo still not good. Oh, yeah, say the lele na. This I was about body. I never not be person. Ebo still. We are enjoying as they look at the laugh. Now look at what happened when we settled ourselves at the tavern. We want to see that live video. Now meet the tavern that day. I just relaxed with some people who follow me. Now, Ebo Stone and Abati enter. I know we see Abat, but I say what Lexus 350. Whether Abat guy say make it up and say. When Abat driver enter the tavern, they see that 350 for you. That guy wait in guy Canada. Now I say, I come back say Ebo Stone. I say Ebo Stone how far? You know, in the episode they say, so you did have enough years for now, say check your phone. I have called you more than 15 times. Episode was actually checking for you, say, hey, sorry, you're not true. I say, what of your friend, Abad? He said, Abad did it. I said, Abad did it. Call me. How far now, my brother, what's the way? How you said? Now we take it down. The next thing when I hear from Abad, he say, buy us drink. Now I say, no problem. Me they drink tiri. Now says, I bet me they drink tiri. Now he say, in tiri. I don't forget the name of this drink. We say whether Flengledish. I don't know what they call it. I asked them, say, how much do you drink? They say the drink na 70,000 naira. Now say about to buy, me go use 70,000 naira buy one bottle. 70,000 naira. My brother, if you not follow me, take the 3 where you take. Leave on. He said no. He said, you know if you spend money for your friends. Now, the country reduce them to single thing. I come buy at the cost of 20,000. I never buy one bought to 20,000 once for life. Me and I do competition. That was how we find ourselves in that environment. We drink. He said, he opened up. Say, Osagoro, go and watch the video. Now one of the man we believe. You believe me, why you envy me? You believe me, why you envy me? They drink and they drink flank the dish. My brother, that one are young. Now, I buy the drink that they will come out. You know if you eat my food, still keep me go out. You too small. Go and change your heart. Your jealousy is too much. Envy go home. You too jealous. Oh, see another. They say you actually. You are only getting back at me. Let that be case not work for you. The owner said, hi, Zakonobody don't win this one. I want to follow this other place now. I know someone that you call and say, Jolly Land. So he said, he put your baron come and say, the reason why I don't call her, he say, when I say for GIS, I greet her, you know what, sir? Hello, pardon, I real life. Real life. I see her, I don't greet her. As I greet her, he say, not greet me again. Now let me not call her excuse. About the both of us get issue every quarrel. When you dey do birthday, I carry phone call you. I say happy birthday to you. And I post down on Facebook. Say happy birthday to you, Abat. I don't get even men like you, bros. People they see us. People they see us. Now you take call me say, Osagolobodi, you were shocked because you not believe say I go wish you happy birthday. I was the last person you believe say go wish you happy birthday. Now you carry for call me. Say I beg, I dey do my birthday for a doogie come. More open, more talk. I tell you before the last time, I say, if me and you sit down talk, it not only affect the two of us. It will affect the two states. Because we know much. We just only say the difference between me and you, I get reserved. We know much. Yeah? As I reach your birthday party, like me, I know the person will be safe. If I go somewhere, I'll go reduce sit down for a table. Yesterday, when I go social media summit, now me sit down for the last chair for back. Your birthday, now me sit down for the last chair for back. Now you they come and say, corner, and they follow you. If you are not finished when you are fully finished, I'll go back to where I go sit down. I'll suffer sit down. I know you really go so. Not be everything they talk. Since when you see video between me and governor not say man stand with her. Governor said shocked to see, say, what you did here? In fact, governor don't even fair criticize one boy get BS. He said, I don't like his BS. And that boy when governor say he don't like his BS, that boy BS not many reach my own. Now he said, governor say I hate my own. As you just see that video, hey, gang, now you rush come out. They look for all excuses. If me and you dey play about, you go do live video. You no go do. My brother, and this is a message to our people around the world. Edo people, please. I am not criticizing Abat because I don't want you to give him job. The one for Abat my own. The one for my own and my own. When I tell Abat me leave me for ways, make jealousy not go kill him. May leave me for waste, jealousy. Every 10 minutes was going to Every 10 minutes was going to Every 10 minutes was going to You know the rest. Envy won't kill you for another man matter. Another man money in a picture. I have commended you. I have commended you more than 10 times when you do anything right. Which thing right you don't ever commend me for? Which thing? This one not good. This guy not good. This one not good. The reason he come up for live video. He said, I'm going to find it tomorrow. For three people. Ambassador Genosage, Sakunokode, and Kolesimudia. How many of these people you reach? Most say you reach me. Do you reach this? Now book you know reach. Now book you know reach Kolesimudia. Kolesimudia will teach you, go lecture you. When it comes to academic, he will teach you. Everybody know the time we take on your youth service. Bring your results. Bring your certificate. The illiterate. If you get pass, tell me, I'll give you money. Bring your result, come out. And the result is well again. 1 year is it to go to school and come out? What did you graduate with? What do you take graduate? 419. These people are illiterate. What do they call them? They say, "You put in abroad, or this one in my year school, near me." Bring your result. I challenge you. Okay, let's challenge ourselves. Tomorrow morning I will bring my result. How about paste your result online? Then we go to our various schools to verify. Go and paste your result online. You know, you they quit that people with school. I want to imagine yes, but you not get pass. When Robert, whenever you cannot speak English, you cannot talk English for 10 minutes without adding Bini. You know fit. You're gonna say, who see you? They say, nah, laugh, you want laugh. No, you don't know what you want to talk, you they think. You cannot talk for 15 minutes or 10 minutes without you not the door. You must put a door. All you go out there. Oh, you're digwe. Where you are gamer? You're the laugh people. These are not good school. These are not good school. You're the laugh people. Everything you the laugh people for no one you reach. Now your teeth now go pass on mat. Or say umose. You the proud. They raise yourself. No, bros. I'm not telling a lie. I go waste time with them. No. Hey, Jimmy. Check you well. Nothing your head na empty vessel. Now let 419 dey inside. You not get anything to offer. Atakbarakpa no gyoji. Oluwole result. All your men dey go school, dey press laptop because everyone call dey make noise. You are making noise. looking for every available opportunity. If you not see, you go to find out. You see, you a man who can come out publicly to say, I remove food for a month. Bini say, Egon or Wegbe or Azen. A man who can openly come out to say, I remove food for a month. Ask them, I mean remove food. Now which? Now which? Man, block this Prosy account, this SD something. I don't catch that one. Just give me some minutes. We ready? We go do this one. Man, find that guy, man, remove him. It's your chairman about not to give people time to talk. So you yourself know, still get time to talk with him. I kick you out immediately. Only so when I like kick your ass. Jealousy finish all of you. About no never talk 10 minutes. It's like your house, your car. May God not let me remain the way I was in 2011. I must grow. If you want to be stagnant about, you can be stagnant. Jealousy kill you. Only you want to be the most popular youth in the two states. My popularity will threaten you. Man, find this guy, bro. All right. Blocked. Bam, that one don't still go. I get many people who don't send me friend request. The next issues when I want to do now, if I want to respond again, I'm going to respond through my page. Comrade Osakwe of Holding Media. So if people prefer me more than you, brother, not in my fault. Hello, boss. Please, I'm on live. Somebody does it talk, say, Abba, tell me, say, you US, I give Abba work, I don't see my money again. Okay, Bright, thank you very much. Boss, I did live. Okay, I hear you. Yes. The word they hear you, boss. Go ahead. I hear you. We hear you now. Go ahead.
What I'm trying to say in a nutshell, if you look at that local boy, he's just an envious person. Men don't understand the right now.
Yes.
About is too envious. He's a small boy. What is just envious about you guys for is that you know, a lot of people love you. We love you so much. We in the diaspora stuff. We are very nice, too humble. The problem he has there is just heaviness. Make about take time, make him go the journey out from Benin. They show me that Lagos when they go the hustle. We can not say maybe there just say Benin not the Lagos, maybe there they go now.
No manner. Jealousy finisher. Now you dey come out and raise yourself for every day. I'm busy. I beg you. Bros, you do well, I hear you. In fact, I will so quit this video now.
No, because if he fuck off for Benin, if he reach Lagos, can no go touch him. Make it do well. Now small boy be.
No man.
Good night, my brother.
Thank you very much, boss. You do well. Nah, but Oba said by himself come out say, "May they know they call him. I bet you too busy." Doctor, I go say too busy. After how many weeks? He said, "Post no more media." He get here. A phone may ring. Oh, you somebody know they call you. Why you come and make your phone they ring? Why you come and make your phone they ring? I keep you quiet ever since. About our phone. See, if by the time we finish this whole issue, may they hate me and you no problem because you all done too much. You the feel say you too sabi. I want clear you say I will fit cure you in every area, and I want cure you now. How about? Now you say they call me. Only me, the best shakara.